Hi guys, welcome back. I'm sorry the air conditioning is on, the lighting is probably not the best, but just bear with me. We're only going to be here for a little bit. I was gone pretty much all of July. July was one of the worst months I've had this year so far. Little things kept on going wrong and they kept on piling up. My wallet got stolen, my car almost overheated on the freeway. Like literally anything that you could think of that could happen happened, and it was not a good month at all. So I took a little bit of a break, but we're back. It's August. I'm really excited to be back. I love August. It's my birthday month. Yeah, today is gonna be a major gist day. We're gonna gist my house. I really just want to like deep clean everything. I have some ants that I really need to get rid of. We have bad ants right now because of the weather, so I've been wanting to take care of that, so I'm finally gonna do that. Just the whole place, make it feel clean, make it feel better for the new month, and let's get the day rolling. Quick Target haul. I was in and out really fast. I had a list. I stick to it. I got everything that I needed. I got these 2 containers. I'm going to organize the pantry with these, I'm pretty sure, if it'll work. They were like on sale for 89 cents, which is awesome. Ground toasted hazelnut coffee. It's the Target brand. Also really needed makeup wipes, so I got some by Neutrogena. This is liquid ant bait, so hopefully get rid of my ant problem. I'm gonna try this cleaner. This is the Everspring cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner. It's not tested on animals. It's probably a lot better than what I've been using, and it was like $3, which is pretty good for like good healthy cleaners. So that is everything. Oh, falling over. Okay, there we go. That is everything that I got from Target. Seem to be working. I'm gonna leave them overnight and hope that that gets rid of all of them. I just want them gone. Since I've talked to you, it is about 4:30 now. I've been going at this for a while. I did take like one lunch break. It was only like a 20-minute lunch break, nothing crazy. I've been going at this for about like an hour or so, if not more. The pantry and the kitchen took me about half an hour on its own. It was really easy to do because I pick it up every day, if not every other day. I'm gonna do stuff that I don't do all the time, like my sheets really need to be cleaned and like things that I don't get to all the time. But we're pretty much done here. I just need to take my sheets out of the washer and put them in the dryer, and then I'm going to do a load of laundry, and then that pretty much wraps it up. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. I changed the quote on my letterboard the other day, yesterday actually, and it's from Gilmore Girls, and I like it. It's a new quote that I went with, Oi with the Poodles already. It's from Gilmore Girls. Lorelai says it. I'm gonna link the clip if I can find it on YouTube where she says it down below because I think it's really funny. And if you watch Gilmore Girls, then I'm sure you know that reference. I also just like put my notebook and a book here, and then I put some markers in a mason jar, and I think it really like does something to the desks. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do some meal prepping. I picked up this ground turkey. It's already a seasoned like taco style, and I love taco bowls. Meal prepped, they're really easy to do, and they like heat up really great the next couple of days. So we're gonna add cheese like the day of. I just find that that's better. I think I'm gonna do spinach this time, switch it up. I love mushrooms and tomatoes. So that's gonna be the gist. Oh, also black beans, no salt added. So that's gonna be the gist of our bowls. Let's get into it. I'm drinking an Arizona tea. So this is the final product. The good thing about this is if you want more spinach, more mushrooms, more tomatoes, you can always add it like the day of. I'm also going to add the black beans and cheese the day of. And there we go. It's about 6 o'clock now. All the cleaning is done except for the laundry. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my makeup, do a face mask, shower. I just feel like that will be like exactly what I need after all this. Setting. I'm pretty much finished here. I'm gonna do one more load of laundry and then I'm all done for the day. Go ahead and insert some final clips right here for you guys. I feel really good after the cleaning, so I hope this gives you motivation to clean. If not, I hope this video is at least like satisfying to watch because I love watching these kind of videos. That pretty much is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and I will see you very soon with a new video. Hey, feeling good like I should.